Hi guys, my name is Harshar Shaji and welcome to OpenCV tutorial series part 1. First of all, what is OpenCV? OpenCV is an open source computer vision library intended for computer vision applications and machine learning. In this tutorial series, we are going to be dealing with OpenCV Python, that is the implementation of OpenCV in Python. Okay. First of all, let's install OpenCV. For installing it, open your command prompt in Windows or terminal in Mac and run the command pip install OpenCV Python. OpenCV Python. For me, it's already installed. Okay, let's now start writing code. And open up a folder where you want to save your files and saving it in this directory. And to open up a command prompt there, type in cmd here. Now I am using Windows terminal, so I am typing in wt. If you are using command prompt, you can write cmd. The commands all are same. Okay, I have opened my command prompt. Let's type in code to open up Visual Studio here, and it's my preferred code editor. You can use anything you want. Okay, and now in this file, let's create a new file named main.py. And in that file, for importing the package we just installed, right? Import cv2. This is the name for the package that we just installed. And first of all, we are going to be importing an image, that is taking an image into the program. I have some images right here. I have some images of cats and dogs here. For importing the image into the program, first of all, let's create a variable named img, and this will be our image variable. OpenCV has an inbuilt method for importing images, and let's call it by cv2.imread, and let's specify the path to the image. The path to the image is, you can directly take the path by right clicking the image and copy relative path, and we can paste the path here. This will create the image, and thus we have imported the image into the program. Let's take a look at the variable. So let's print and let's run the code. We can see that the image is being represented as arrays in the program, and all of these arrays represent each individual pixels in our image. Okay, now let us see how to display the image using OpenCV. For displaying the image, OpenCV has an inbuilt method named imshow. Let's use it by cv.imshow, and the first argument for the function is the name for our image. Let us call it cat. Let us call it cat, and let's pass in the image variable. In our case, it is img. Thus we have passed the image variable into the program. This will now show the image. Next of all, it will keep on showing the image, and we want to close. If we want to close it, we could write cv2 dot wait key. What this does is that it waits for zero amount of time and destroy and executes the next function, that is cv2 to destroy all this will the cv2 dot destroy all windows function will destroy all the windows now present in the environment. Now let's save it and run it. Let's say that the image is being very displayed, but the image is very large. This is due to because OpenCV does no resizing. It displays the image as it is. Since our image is of high quality, it displays each pixels and the image will become very large. Now let us see how to resize the image. For resizing an image, let's delete this slide. For resizing an image, we should first create a new image variable. This will be our resized image, and for resizing, cv2 has an inbuilt method named resize, and the first argument for it is the source of the image, that is the image which we want to resize. In our case it's img. And next we want to pass in the new coordinates of the image, that is the height and length and breadth of the new image, and let's pass in 500 in height and 500 in width. This will make the img image into a new image with 500 pixels length and 500 pixels width, breadth, sorry. And let's now show the image. Let's run the code. So let's close it. Let's run the code. We can see that our image has been resized into 500 by 500, and that is how we resize an image in cv2. And that is all much for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial in this series.